Hello everyone, welcome to Hanwei Electronics product video. Today we're going to introduce Venus, the carbon monoxide alarm. As we all know, carbon monoxide is harmful for human beings and the environment. Many accidents happen every year because of the leakage of carbon monoxide. Venus carbon monoxide alarm complies with EN 50291 standard. It adopts high-quality electrochemical sensor with good accuracy, which can maximally avoid false alarm and a delayed alarm. The sensor lifetime is 5 to 7 years, and you need to change for a new device when the sensor is expired. It also has LCD display to show the CO concentration. When the CO concentration in the air reaches the presetting alarming level, the alarm will give audio and visual alarming properly. The installation method can be tap-top, ceiling hung, and wall-mounted. So it's quite easy to install and operate. Thank you.